What is this, man? Well comfortable?
Yeah.
Go and populate.
Alive leopard?
Yeah, I mean. Go and populate and save up video and thing. So, yeah, welcome everybody. Our young beat maker, producer, and all these things. Man, I gotta share the screen because I feel like when you share the screen, the quality diminishes. So, guys, I have to be selfish today. Who it is? Artos, always in control. Yeah, man. So, later on, I'm showing how far my walk come out of the studio. Yeah. When I call me ZJ Mountain Goat after this, I swear. So, alright, so what else I go and populate, you know what I mean? I just want to reach out to some of the young producers and artists, and I have the platform. Send them out there, you understand? Some of them we don't hear about, but we're not going to hear about them though. Oh, that Bradley Holiday, you want one of the beat them? Alright, you can link him, alright. So I'm just pin your Instagram. Okay, speaking with. Oh, the Instagram go again?
Dennis Greatest.
Dennis Greatest.
Yeah.
Alright. People will not need to look out for him. And some nice stuff, trust me. No
yeah,
lie.
man. Working with some nice artists too.
Yes, see me. Alright, so who that? DJ Otenyo. Send me one of the beats. What is already?
Manager.
Hey! What? And the interview never played in others. The way they all a vibe and me, I tell you, I'm so impressed, you know. So welcome everybody, young and upcoming producer, beat maker, just creative, Dennis. But I asked him where my label name. Where you say label name?
Greatest Records.
But me come in and brother, I consume cornflakes. I say whatever cornflakes records you have to call it. Yeah. And I heard Hero, that's Black Hero, playing some stuff, and I was like, wow, that sounds good. And I say, yo, who make that? And I must say, yo, over there, so pointing to Dennis.
Sparks, you're overwhelming right now. Right?
I am not overwhelming you. I'm not overwhelming. Bro, your stuff sound good. Your stuff sound good. Our platform, so we're gonna put you out there. So, Dennis, first of all, I was commenting on the synergy that Black Hero has with Wayne J. And I find that you all three though, you as beatmaker, producer, along with Hero and Wayne J, three of you have a real natural chemistry. Like, you know, like nobody forcing you for going in the studio. I realize that. Mm-hmm. I see the electricity, I see the sparks, natural creative energy. How did you all link up?
Well, alright, first it started back in 2012 when I met Wayne J. As an 8-year-old. You know, I was going to school for music production at the time.
Oh, where was that?
MTI, CPTC.
Okay.
Yeah, I was going to UTech as well too, so I tried. But I do too much things, you know. So anyway, met Wayne J, went to him community, get introduced to him and dad, my DJ, and I say, yo! Because when I came to Kingston, a country, by the way, from Trelawney.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, come Kingston 2009.
Where in Trelawney are you from?
Falmouth, okay. From the coast.
Okay.
Yeah. Big up to the hills too, you see me? So yeah, so after I'm DJ for me, like, yo, more work with the youth right now, and like seriously more work with the youth right now. I'm willing to spend my lunch money, because I lunch money I get them time then. Remember my parents have to send them money every week. Yeah, I'm saying I use that right now for do whatever we can. We have a studio, half studio in my house, we can record, we can make beats. That's enough for now. We never have no idea in what the hell we're gonna do. You know, in terms of getting the music up, we just know we can make music and stuff like that. So, but we interested in learning, meeting people. Long time I didn't want to meet DJ Sparks, so I don't think, yeah, I feel special, you part. You never know. Yeah. So it's like, you know, fast forward, meet Ranger, we do a couple songs, we know some of the people, them know some of the songs, you know, we produced the first EP at 9 years old, you know, drop away physical copies and everything, we even people ordered them stuff there too, you know, it was a great drive. Fast forward, couple months later, it's not even a full year, I met Hero, cause, you know, after I meet Ranger, you know, I'm realized, say, yo, I have to use my money for the, if I want to take up this music thing now, serious now. Whereas I have to earn some more money for myself because the income I get from nothing can't enough. So I start to set up a bigger studio within the same apartment. Start invite people to come and record, pay me money for beats, whatever I can, if I can invest and put it back in the label, you know, with me and Wayne and all the way. And anyway, here comes this artist named, I'm not call him first name because Mr. Bailey, you know, he never have no black ear at the time.
Yeah.
He's in roll through, you know, pay for a studio session. I'm say, yo, you tough your fat. The next day I call him and say, yo, Hero, we are locked in the studio, brother. Yo, just you and Wayne share me advice forever now. We're done. We're done. Like literally, like we find it. You know, the energy of my want is not even say I don't want to go out and vice with all the names that I owe them. I do, still do. But you get me, I said that wasn't my intention. I want to build something. Because, you know, we kind of grow up for the nature of my life, build stuff from and see it operate. You get me, I said, like, yeah. So it's like, I say, yo, not advise nobody. If somebody are coming here for money or whatever, I'm not do it. It's alright, me, you have to tough it out. You have to find some way. Luckily, with Wayne did it already out, we are managing, so we still are, you know, we could have do certain things, we kind of maintain for a while. But, yeah, so here I come in now, at one point now, because the music and the relationship was so close. Even though Wayne J lived 5 miles from me, he did far. Even though Hero did live, where we live at the time, Rockford, it is far. So I say, yo, we just forward. The time then, my brother in there, 2 bedrooms, and my brother did it, and my brother say, yo, the boy is serious, you know, say, man, we won't do it. Yeah, he's serious, like, with no bias, or like, of course, someone say, chop, why you? Just say it, but him love me, see him love everything, you get what I say, but I'm just saying, see what I'm have to do, I have to just, I'm older, I have to come out and I could pick this up, you know, anyway. I invite everybody, Wayne, James, Dad, Hero, and some more artists over there I work with.
So it just became like a creative den.
The Mecca. It's the Gray Show, next top producer, when we rate, the man, do so much things with Hero, we do the THC EP, like the weed EP. Yeah, so I'm gonna invite everybody. That's where we start meet Leela, Rumcos, Tessellated, and everybody from the current scene right now. I'm sure everybody can attest to that right now. Royal Blue, Reggie, everybody used to sleep on the same bed, eat out of the same pot. Everything.
It's just a communal kind of vibe.
Communal kind of vibe. I would just make music. I would not think I make music like say, we're gonna make some songs today, you know, you think that's a flow. We are talking and make music, we're gonna make beats on the desk, and you know, artists turn producer, producer turn artist type of vibe, you know, like with this vibe, whole day, talk about live stuff. Everybody know about everybody personally, that's the things. It's like, I don't know if it was a classroom or what, but at the head of that, it was Wayne J Dad as the big man did there. But I was looking experience in the music, and you know, as a stronghold for all of we kids were 19, 20, and 17, and 14 even. So him did it as an elder for kind of balance head and tell what to expect in the music, teach for certain things as much as him can with film ability, teach all of them how to perform. I mean, we're working, but that's saying not down to Wayne J, Black Hero, you know, even Leela too, as we work with her, them way there. Yeah, so you just grow.
So did you always want to be involved in music? Like, you know, like enough people when them are picnic, them have an idea where they want to go in. You always wanted to be involved in music?
I guess yeah, but I never knew what way in the early days. Because I did love Cash Money them time, when Cash Money come up, dang dang. Like, yo, I wanted that. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I wanted that, you know. Because Lil Wayne is young. You know? I don't know. See, Lil Wayne inspired me because meet a Wayne too. I don't know if I was some spiritual thing. Anyway, but Lil Wayne used to inspire me. I said, you tell do it. And then, yo, I mean, I did about probably 8 them time there, or 7. I don't know. I do it too, cause, you know, I think of that. But we never know exactly what I'm doing.
How did you build your first beat? What was I interviewed Not Nice and he gave me his story. What did you use to build your first beat? And how long did it take you to learn?
Well, funny. I built my first beat with a recorder program on Windows one time, but it wasn't digital, it's live. Boom, boom, chop, boom, boom. Recorded with it. Webcam mic. To the beat, boom, 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 record. I'm saying, yeah! Hit that, that's my first beat. But digitally, I was a Fruit Loops, like Fruit Loops 3 or something like that. You know? Just make a beat, play for a whole year straight. You know, play for everybody straight, the baddest thing straight, the hit song is straight, like, yo, everybody, every artist I meet, yo, see the beat, yo, jump on it. Man, I wonder why nobody not appealing now, man. We know why now still.
Yeah, why?
That's not already, man. That's not, I don't want to tell me, they're too eager, you know, them seats and them, must say, we don't want to let it go easy, you know, it's so deep, man. And them things there, so, yeah, that's what my, because a long time that, you know, about 2004, so, my first beat.
And you've come a long way since then. What are some of the things that you wish could change in this quote-unquote industry in Jamaica?
Firstly,
and nobody can blacklist you, because everybody entitled to them opinion, a democracy.
Yeah, man, I be about people, you know, man. You know, nothing at the end of the day, you know. Like I said, we just need more professionalism, you know. That's all, and we think if more teams, I mean teams, more artists and then producers and them friends, everybody who do music together, learn more, you get me? Use examples more of, of people who have done it, and, you know, see how we can do it. Like, it's all a mess right now, because nobody know how certain things reach them when them, you know, nobody even know how them bust. People back in the days, people know how them are bust, you know. Proper planning, you know, from hard work and, you know, probably more than 2 investment, but I just feel like everybody just needs to be just professional within every aspect, from contracts to beat making, to sending your songs to the next artist, you know, those mixing, you know, we have to get down to the details. It's not just a wide range thing, isn't it? Just a little details thing, them little thing, you know, fix the cracks them, and then we see the music feel better because of that. Exactly what I did to make my music better from the first beat. You know what I mean? We try to get better upon that. Make the beat, and no artists want to voice with me. You know, how to make.
I was just about to ask you, how did you improve your skills on beat making? You went to YouTube University. You really formalized the musical education. Were you like the understudy for someone who really knew how to make music? How did you get better? Because you can't spend more time on something, but you not do it right, so you're still not improving, you know.
Right,
you just get worse at it over time.
Right. So the first thing we need, you know, because you know, my parents teach me, you know, just look ahead, look forward, you know, prepare for certain things, you know. What you want, look ahead, plan feet, whatever. So anyway, 2004, when I met that first beat and it never so good, I'm like, alright, it's not good. Mommy, what I need to do? Mommy say, I need to learn to play music. And I say, alright, cool, so I'm going to piano class then. So 2006, enroll in a piano class, kind of understand notation bars and them things there some more. So now, with that little help, open up a whole lot of understanding. Things them start get better immediately musically, like, you know, within a year and stuff like that. And then, man, something was missing. The quality still never up. Like, never did a tongue for hear, listen, for play on radio. You get what I say? Or, you know, for people can say, yo, it's a tongue, it's something good, you know, but wow, you know. So that way, you know, in 2012, that's where I went to MTI. try better myself on that now again to kind of improve the mixing aspect and get the music sounding good, and how being around a professional person as well, because Steven Stewart, he was around, yeah, he was an engineer who was around Bob Marley them time then. He's like, he was like 19 and them time, so the perfect person for him to take on, you know, because him understand how a youth want to learn, you know. Yeah, so that was the next step I did. I just put myself on my own teacher when I'm introduced to and say, I want to learn some more. And yeah, and then up to now, but just keep on YouTube. You know, YouTube, one of them aspects, one of them things that we use a lot right now too, and being around other artists and producers, like their own producers, whether them just a start or advance, because we learn a lot. You get me? So that's the way we keep building, you know,
you're
interacting,
open to learning.
network. I'm open to learning, because if you're not open to learning, then you're already lost in life, you know, to me. You know. Like I just say it there.
I want to ask you, how you did feel and which part you did there the first time one of your production play upon radio?
Oh, we did in my house, we did Constant Spring, and TV radio. We never on the radio, and the TV that I play there, you know, you can go on the radio channel, and we hear it. We never did notice it, I go play, we just feel the energy. We jump up in the house, me scream, me push me into the windows. Ah! We win Champions League! Because I'm a football man now, so anytime I see my win Champions League, I'm more some big celebration. Ah! With my head. And then me and Wayne and his father and his mother and his three little sisters, they all we got up now, a big circle and jump around and jump, and you know, the next day be a nice complaint, but it was worth it. And every day for the week that we play, we do the same thing again. Like, crazy. It's a crazy feeling. Even right now, Young Boss are playing crazy.
Young Boss, which is Black Hero and Wayne J.
This morning. Oh God. Don't be serious. But I think we need to record our reaction when we see the radio. Oh God.
It still brings you that kind of joy.
Yeah. And we just want to keep that, you know.
What are some of the things that you're working on presently?
Alright, presently we have an EP with me and Jay and Black Hero together called Top Team, you know, called all of it together, we go up as brothers, a top team, you see me? I work with some dancehall artists out there. I want to mention them. I want to surprise the people because someone want to come in and Sparks. You know, nobody never see it and just boom! And I get all of these things where you do it, when we do and where you take it, you know, someone like it. So,
how that sound like Skilly so? A Skilly that? That sound like Skilly? A Skilly back that?
Yeah.
No, that sound like Skilly,
I
yo.
have a few works with some top artists to work with. I have an album with Hero. That's just me and him, literally. My beats, his voice. I come out sometimes.
You've been putting in a lot of work.
Yeah.
How many beats do you build per day?
Per day.
Is it like you get up like, you know, like athletes have to wake up, go to the track, rest, go to the gym, rest up, and, you know, sit therapists and all of that. What's your routine? Do you like wake up, stretch, say your prayers, drink something, burn a spliff, jump on the computer? Hero, you gotta answer a question now. Hero.
There's three types of greatest, you know.
Yeah.
There's one when there's an ex-producer around, like for example Grey Show or an ex-producer who know, and they're just here for the whole day. So let's say the next one produce something.
Yeah.
As we finish, him just go make something, and that can just be like 20 for the day. So that's when
20 beats
because
for
he's
the
a
day?
football man. So remember, you know, that friendly competitive energy is within him. It's not a bad competitive energy. It's like, oh man, you just make a fire beat. You make a fire beat. So like,
Yeah.
I sat there for a whole year. I watched a man them make 20 beats a day. I couldn't keep up my writing. Couldn't keep up. I'm like, yo, what?
Mad them out from there.
And they have greatest by himself now, where inspiration can hit at any moment. Like, out of the blue, like, yo, let me just speak at it. Yo, this bad thing. And they start bounce and catch a vibe. And then you have a greatest now that's focused. Meaning, like, let me say, yo, I want to do an album. I must say, alright, start go references, start draw for, get whiteboard and write down this and that and zoning. So, me get to witness them three aspects there, you know what I mean? The one where spontaneous, the one where competitive, and the one where focused, you know? So it's like, that's how he make beats. No, he can't tell you how much he really make a day and whatever, but me witness him go from 1 sometime to 20 to 3, and they're all like good. It's not like I can say, oh, that beat, you don't want to fix up. No, you just want a voice.
Alright, I'm gonna bust something now. So earlier when I came in, right, I don't even remember how we got to that part of the conversation, but you used to work at Spotify Greatest. So me I like why you leaving off answer that. Hear him over here, so hero. And they never left me the him. Cause why? Why would you say something like that?
Because you never see Barcelona go without them star player. Messi's always present. We're not going to leave Messi over there for do what? We need Messi on the side, we need Christie, we need the all-star top team. We wouldn't allow that. But we don't say it was going over there for research purposes. You know? But if we did that last so long, I'm going to say, hey,
Time now.
Because music, not forever. Music, no photo shoot, no this, no one job. Like, we literally say we come here for just bring an energy to the music, not for own it, not for control it, just to bring an energy. And then just do and just leave.
Okay. Wow. So we have the focused, the spontaneous, and the competitive. The competitive greatest. Yeah. Somebody says City and Liverpool are going to play now, so you must go and go check in. Now what is, man?
Yeah, I want to know about City and Liverpool.
Hey, everybody say. No,
you don't want to talk about the soccer right now. Don't soccer right now. And what is?
Bobby Firmino.
Bro, big say at match.
Bobby Firmino.
Oh, we defend Gunners forever. I like you well going.
Arsenal fans are so loyal.
No. All football fans are very loyal to their team.
That's true.
No. That could have gone out wicked.
Ask them what the City fans.
Because they were all pull up a 500-year stat.
City fans are what
ask the age of the City fans. You see for no what? You see for no my age and not City fans? No lie. Seriously, City just get big when they are like 2000 whatever. You know, if we're 15 or 10% of my City fan, I understand. Yes, so nobody no City fan my age are 25 and over can't.
What is though? Where you over there, say?
Liverpool.
I'm not even born when Liverpool first win. When them last win something.
Where we won the other day.
People, this is the kind of energy that them bring to them production. This is the kind of brotherhood synergy that they have, and to them I just decide to just speak with Dennis because we just have a conversation, like, you know, sometimes he just say some things and it just spark our entire conversation. I just say, yo, I forgot to take out that phone because next thing you go say something interesting and I miss it and I really don't want to miss it. Because at this rate, I have to start work with camera on my forehead. Like I work in a police force. But so your album is coming out with Hero. The EP is coming out that you worked on with Wenjay and Hero as well. And you produce like 20 odd beats per day. Dude, where do you see yourself? This is a cliche question. Yeah. But where do you see yourself in 5 years? Gumshan, the interview is not about me. The interview is about the producer, the beatmaker, the artist, whosoever in front of my lens.
5 years, well, to myself, I encourage more youths to be great too. You get me? I just want that amount of time to build up myself and I can help other people. That's what I'm saying. Is helping. Yeah.
I would like to know, what is your philosophy in life? What drives you? When you're in a dark space, when you're not feeling so great, even though you're greatest, when you're not feeling so great, what motivates you? What do you say to yourself to keep yourself going?
Well, I'm not egotistical, but I just look on where I come from, you know what I mean? No matter how you feel right now, somebody always have it worse than you. You get me? It's a type of mentality. So you have to just, it's a phase. When me tell myself it's a phase, it's always a phase. You know, so you can easily avoid that. Sometime it pass and I never know when I tell myself that. So yeah, that's fun for that.
Alright, big up yourself. This is Greatest. Get to know him. We're not gonna remember Seth Sparks interview him and him are gonna be the greatest. Look for them good, you know. Look for them good. I'm going humble. He's humble still, but he's a really, really good beat maker. You're over there trying to look very busy.
Respect, you know, Sparks, you know, big up everybody who tune in, you know.
You have a YouTube channel?
Not yet.
You're on Twitter?
Yes, I'm on Twitter.
What is your handle?
365 Budman with a D-O-D.
Why you never call it greatest?
It's two of them. Then it's greatest though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So 365, I don't know, 365 days of the year, I do the same thing.
Big up yourself, yo.
Right.